In this video we'll create a Bing ad for direct linking method. If you don't have a Bing account, you can just Google it, and Bing offers some bonus credit as well for the new people. It's up to $100. You spend $25 and you'll get $100 as bonus depending on your country. We've created the link, click magic link out here. Okay, this is our tracking link. This is a product we are promoting. I just picked up this product for the demo purpose, and it is giving me $21 commission upfront for sale. Let's go to Bing ads. This is again my test account, guys. So if you don't have Bing account, you can simply create it. So let's create the campaign, guys. Click on create campaign. Now it's asking about the objective of this campaign. Our objective is visits to my website. We want people to go to our affiliate link. Enter name, say camp 1. Budget, daily budget, you have to enter the budget in your country's currency. I'm in India, so I'll put in Indian rupees. You can start with any budget, even in $1 a day. I prefer $10. So let's say 700 rupees per day. English, language is English. Location, I would prefer United States. You can add more countries, more tier 1 countries, Canada, Australia, UK, or the countries which are good for your campaign, good for your product. Now I want people in my targeted locations, not people searching for or viewing pages about the targeted location. Save and go to the next step. Enter your website URL. It's asking for the website so that it can give us some keyword ideas. Ad group camp 1. Keywords, now you can use Bing keyword suggestions or you can use Google keyword planner. So in this video I'll use keyword planner for now. You can use Bing ads keyword suggestion as well. So this is Google keyword planner. Click over here. Now I can search. There are different ways of identifying keywords. I can search for the keyword search volume. I can put in my website page out here, so it will show me all the related keywords. Okay, so I'll put like weight loss here, United States. I'll put negative keywords like free, what is, you can add your negative keywords here because we are trying to sell something. Okay, so we don't want people who are looking for free stuff or who are looking for information. If our product is based on diabetes or any remedy to diabetes, so I don't want people who are searching for what is diabetes. Okay, and I don't want people searching for free remedy for diabetes because I want to sell something. Get ideas. Now it's showing me so many keywords here. Volume is 165,000 in a month. Okay, every month in US these many people are searching for this keyword. How to lose weight, 100,000 to 1 million. So minimum is 100,000. So these many people are, this is a volume, these many people are looking for or searching for these keywords. So you can filter more negative keywords which you think should not be there in your keyword list, so that you can filter according to your product. I've not taken any specific product in this video, so I'm just searching for a broad term, weight loss. It will show you hundreds of keywords. 581 keywords are there, right? So what you can do now, you can download all the keywords in a CSV file. I'll save it. These are the keywords. Now I'll copy these all, come to Bing ad and paste it here. One more tip, if you want the exact keyword to be triggered, just put it in brackets. So it will show you ad only when someone will type the entire phrase weight loss. Okay, so you can put it in brackets. It will again save a ton of money. It will give you very targeted customers. Okay, you can do it for all. Then save and go to next step. Create ad. Final URL. Now here people make mistake. We have to put in the final URL. Okay, the landing page of the product, not our affiliate link here. Just say this is my link. If I go to this link, it will take me to the sales page of the company. So this is the sales page link, right? I have to put the sales page link here, the final URL, this page URL, right? If you put your affiliate link here, the ad will be disapproved because of destination mismatch. Now you have to create your ad. For ad, what you can do, you can just Google it about the product, and you can take the ideas of the top ads. This is the ad. These all are ads. These are ads. This one is ad. So you can get the ad copy on the affiliate page, what we discussed in the last videos, or you can Google it about the product, or you can search it on Bing, and you can take the ideas from here, right? This is a simple way. This is just an example. You have to do it as per your product, according to your product. This is how your ad would look like. Okay, now save. And save and exit. So our campaign is created now. Now go to ads, as we have to put our affiliate link into it. Edit. Now it's showing me add URL option. Tracking template. Click on this. Enter a tracking template. At this section we have to put in our affiliate link, and if you want to track the keywords too, you just have to put a short code here, / bracket keyword bracket close. And if you further want to track the match type of keywords, whether it's a broad targeted keywords or exact keyword, you can add match type here. I don't need this, so I'm not adding it. You can add it if you want. Let's test it. Landing page found. It's working perfectly fine. Okay. Now how it works is, whenever somebody will click on your ad, it will take the person through your link to this URL. Okay. So you will get the credit of sales. Don't worry. Now save and done. You have to set the bid for this campaign. Bid should be, for direct linking method, bid should be 1% of the commission you are about to get. Like for this product, I'm getting $21, so bid should be around 21 cents. Because in direct linking, conversion ratio is 2 to 3% to 15% at the max. Okay, because we don't have a second chance to interact with the same customer, same visitor. so the conversion ratio will be low. So the bid should be 20 cents only. So 20 cents, it's India, it's around 14 rupees. Okay, you just have to bid 1% of the commission you're about to get. That's the thumb rule. And if you've got 200 clicks and no sales, this product is not for you guys. You can change the product. Okay, but you have to wait. You'll start getting sales. Bing will keep asking you to increase the bid amount to get more clicks. Don't do that. Okay, don't need to do that. Just wait. You'll start getting clicks, impressions, then clicks, and then sales. And then you can go to keywords, keyword section. You can see which keyword is getting more and more clicks. You can filter here. It will show you the keywords which are getting clicks. If the keyword is okay, let it run. If it's not okay, you can pause it or delete it. Okay, so let it run for 2 days first, then you can come to keyword section and make the required changes here, right? So that's it for direct linking method. Now in the next video we'll create a landing page and we'll create a Bing ad for the landing page then.